Hello everyone, welcome to iTech Analytic Solutions channel. Today in this tips and tricks video, I will be teaching you how to create pivot table in MS Excel using MS Access. So before we learn this, please do subscribe to our channel if you have not already done, and please click on the bell button so that you'll be getting more tips and tricks videos as notifications. Right, let's go and see how we can create pivot table using MS Access. So first what we'll do is I'll go to this Excel sheet, which is a new workbook. So I'll show you how to create a pivot table by a single table and multiple tables. First, let's go and connect from Excel to MS Access. So how to do that? Let's go to this insert, and here I have this pivot table. Click on this, and here I'll have use an external data source. Don't select this, select a table or range. This is selected for within the Excel sheet. Now I'll select this choose connection button will be enabled. I'll click on this choose connection, and here I'll say browse for more. If you click on this browse for more, I'll go to the path where I have the access table. See, I have two access table here in one of the folders. It says access table single and multiple. So I'll select this single. Go here, I'll go to the path, say open, see access data single, and I'll say open. Now the connection is done. Now it'll ask, say existing worksheet or new worksheet. I'll say existing worksheet because I've selected one sheet there. I'll say OK. And if you go to this Excel sheet, see a pivot table is created. Now you can create the pivot table, or say you can drag and drop the fields like what we actually do in our Excel. Say for example, I'll go to this category, I'll drag, and suppose if I want some sales, I can go here, I can drag it here. And also I can go and I can create this region here, and then I can use this. I can also create the slicers. I can go to this analyze slicer. I'll select this region and say OK. See, right. This is from single table from an MS Access. Now let's see how we can do the same thing by multiple tables. Let me click here. I'll go to this B10, insert, pivot table. Then again, we'll use this, use an external data source, choose connection, say browse, and we'll go to the same folder. And now I'll select this access data multiple. If I say open, now I'll get multiple tables. In my access, what I've selected now, we have multiple tables here. To select this multiple tables, I'll say enable selection of multiple tables. Let me select this. Now I'll get the checkboxes. You can select whichever table you want, or I'll click on this name checkbox so that all the tables are selected. Now just say OK, and then I'll click on OK. Now the connection is done. So all the tables will be connected, and then I'll get a pivot table list like this. And you can see all the tables are available here. The tables which are connected are available here. Now let's see how we can drag the fields and put it here and create the reports. Let's take this location. I'll take this region and I'll drag it in rows. Yes, I'm getting the data. Let's go here in data table. I have sales. Let me take this and I'll put it here in values. I'll not get the values here properly. I'm getting the complete total of the data table. Why is it? Because it is not connected properly, means there is no relationship between those two tables. Now it says auto detect and create. First we'll see how we can work on this auto detect, and then I'll show you how to use this create. Let me click on this auto detect. It will detect the relationship, and once it detects the relationship, then I'll get the proper data. Say close. Let's work on another data. I'll remove this region. Now let's take another table. Let me go to this segment and I'll drag this segment and I'll put it here. Again, this table is also not connected. That means they don't have relationship. Now still I'm getting the complete total of the data table. Now if I say auto detect, there'll be a relationship. Then I'll get the proper results here. This is auto detect relationship. Let's see how I can do it by creating manually. So here I have this relationship. I can just click on this. Either I can say auto detect so that all the connections will be, all the tables will be connected with the relationship. Otherwise I'll go here and I'll say new connection, and here I'll take the primary table and the column which I need to connect. Let's say I'm going to connect this ship ID. I'll say related table. I'll take the ship mode and I have the ship ID. I'll say okay. Now the relationship is created. Fine. Let me go to this pivot table list. I'll remove this segment and let me take the ship mode and I'll drag it here. See, I'll get the results here. So you can connect external data like this and you can create the pivot table. So this chapter is to this video what I'm making here to show you how to connect from Excel to Access and create the pivot table. So this is how you can connect and you can get the pivot table and all the features whatever is there in pivot table I can create here, and I can create the reports. I can use the slicers, timelines, anything can be used. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and we'll be giving you more interesting videos like this with tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video.